The Photoshop count tool, real simple, just lets you put count markers on the canvas. Could be for all types of reasons that you have, just marking out certain things. And I'm just going to put a bunch of them up here. Kind of hard to see with the color they are right now, and I'll change that in a second. But you can put a lot of different marks. I don't know what the total is or the max amount, but you can put a lot. You can put a mark to remind you to do something on your project. You can put a mark to tell someone else to do something. If you look up here in the top, these are all your options. You got the preset drop down, same as any other tool. You probably won't have a preset for this. Then you got the count. This shows you how many you have. So I have 37 out there right now. If I clicked another time, it goes up to 38. You can have count groups. This is count group 1. You can have a count group 2, count group 3, whatever. This is the visibility of the count group. So if you don't want to see them, you click it and they'll disappear. Click it again to see them. Then this is how you create a new count group. Click it. We got count group 2. Click OK. We can go back to count group 1. Shut it off. Come back to count group 2. Maybe make it a different color. Let's make it red. And then we put some down, and that's count group 2. Go back to 1, and you can see both of them at the same time. If you want to delete a group, click that. It removes that whole group. If you want to clear it without deleting the group itself, you just click clear and it'll remove all your points. But when you click another point, you still got count group number 2 active. Then I already showed you can change the color. So marker size, if I turn this all the way up to 10, you'll see the dot gets bigger. If I turn the label size up, then the number gets bigger. So you can customize that however you want. But that's pretty much it for the count tool, guys. There's not a lot more to learn about this. If you got any questions or comments, make sure to put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.